Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're gonna take a sneak peek at some upcoming products from Trinity. These products will be released tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. There will be a video hop as well as an Instagram hop to celebrate the release. So stay tuned for all the amazing fun that is coming your way tomorrow. So for this video we're gonna take a look at the Clover Heart. This is a 6x6 stencil set with this beautiful heart in a shape, or clovers in a shape of a heart, I should say. So this fits perfectly on top of a standard A2 size card front. I will just attach it to the back and then go ahead and cover it with the Trinity brushes here. I just love them. And I went really light and then I kept it darker towards the edges of my heart here. So you can see the little bit of contrast that I'm doing. So I just love this stencil. I think it turned out super beautiful and it was so easy to create. You will see that I will stretch this stencil set in this release as, in this video as well. I will create a second card where I am taking this and creating sort of an angle with it. But here is the reveal of our first panel. So beautiful, I just love that. And then I will go ahead and create our second panel here. So you can see I just holding it down to one of the side of my A2 sized card front here, or card panel I should say. And then I went in with two different shades of green. You can see how easy that lines up. And when I'm happy with all of the colors that I had here, I will shift it down. And then I will do this a little bit creatively and just masking off some of the clovers that I don't want the ink to go through. And then I will keep coloring, and you will see I went over the stencil at one point here, and I will use an eraser in a second. But I just wanted to share that you can stretch your supplies and be a little bit creative with it to make them fit another purpose. So that is something I just love, creating cards like this and like stretching your supplies a little bit. So with the leftover ink that I had in my brush, I just went over that side as well, just to make the contrast a little bit more seamless. So I went in with an eraser. This is just a Tombow sand eraser, and that easily took away the ink that I had like on the white part here. So you can see to the side one of the other sneak peeks for this video. This is the stitched Sharmrock, so cute. And I just inked that up with some green towards the middle. And I raised it up with some of Trinity's foam strips. And then I adhere it down on top of my card front here. And this is also a sneak peek of an upcoming die set, the Simply Sentimental Lucky. Just love that one. Cut the base layer out of some vellum and then the main part here out of some gold glitter cardstock. Just love that. And then I will adhere this down to a top folded A2 size card front. And that finished off our first project for today. And here I will actually go in with some gold. This is my favorite contrasting product. I did some splatters as well in black, and then I thought it would be fun to have them in gold as well. So for our second card, I'm using liquid glue from Trinity and just adhering another sentiment from that same Simply Sentimental Lucky sets. This one I cut out of a couple of blues, and I will adhere it down to another cut out part in vellum. And I love solid colored cardstock, but I'm hoarder. I'm hoarding them so badly, so I cut away the centerpiece so I can use it for another product in the future. And I also covered all of my clovers here with some sparkling glitter, and I will show you an up close picture in the end here, or a video where I'm hitting it with the light so you can see all of the glitter. And when I was done with this, I also took the time to go over all of the clovers with a white gel pen, just to make them have a little bit of a highlight. So all of these things that I'm doing really makes this card pop. It was a little bit tedious, but I think it turned out really pretty in the end. So here is our card, and I will hit this with the lamp on my phone here. So I hope this picks up the shimmer. Maybe it isn't that noticeable on the video, but it's really pretty in real life. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you got inspired to stretch your supplies and maybe checking out the video hop tomorrow. I will be really happy if you like this video and maybe leave us a comment. That would mean a lot. And until next time, have a great day. Bye!